And then the narrative that high-rises are bad places to live is also equally ridiculous. I pointed out in an article I wrote on this. I pointed out that when I bought in this mid-rise, which is where my wife and I live, my best friend bought it. Lives in the downtown is for the views to the mountains. That is the essence of his quality of life. He loves it. And that's why he will never move to the suburbs. So I call him a sky person, and I'm a ground person. And all the dogma about low-rise, ground-oriented density, that's led by ground people. And I'm a ground person, so I get that mentality. But not everybody's a ground person. Some people are sky people, and a lot of people have moved to Vancouver because of the view. And you can't disrespect that. That's the reason they're coming and moving and driving less and living with a lower carbon footprint, etc. So this project, my project, caters to both ground people and sky people, and it doesn't tell either one of them that they're stupid, which is what we tend to do a lot as urbanists with our dogma. Does that make sense? So that's my editorial statement of the tour. What's that? Now he needed more space. They had another child, and I have a three bedroom. He liked my unit so much, he bought the one right above it. Now we really do have his company.
So just so that, since it's quiet here right now, can you give people what your blog address is so they can blog it?
I don't have a blog. Follow me on Twitter. Every wisdom I have is in 140 characters. So follow me on Twitter, and I blog for Planetizen. So a lot of my stuff is in Planetizen. Some of it's in Huffington Post, some of it's in City Lab, some of it's in other things. But just follow me on Twitter, and you'll find it all.
Tell us your name again.
Brent Toderian. And the article is tall towers could use less dogma, better design. That's, if you can read only one article of mine, read that one. We're going to go, so we're kind of at the juxtaposition point. This is called International Village. That's where the Canucks play hockey, right there, and the Costco's right beside it. Now, through this mall is sort of the starting point of Chinatown. This was a big, that idea of bringing the shopping mall, but at least, as you note, it has retail uses on the edges and such. We can walk right through it. This is a historic trail that was maintained with full public access through the mall. And we're going to go into Chinatown, through the Chinatown gate, just see a little bit of that, and then we're going to head into Gastown.
At all times of day?
Well, no,
Only with the malls.
Only with the malls. You'll see that things directly access onto it. They're just not allowed to close it off.